nest bed. I'm not sure what you call that thing. Donut. Starry. Starry. Hey, pretty girl. She is very pretty. Don't look at my feet. They look horrible. That was sun sneezing in my face. And that is, I don't know why it's so large. That's better. And that is Lauren and Liam cuddling together. And this is this Mr. Sneezy face. On me again. Kiki, what are you doing? She's sniffing around.